Every year, humanity proves it can spend vast sums of money. Not on survival, not on restoration, but on destruction. Global military spending now exceeds $2 trillion annually. That money produces no food, no water, no breathable air, no long-term stability. It produces weapons and the obligation to use them. Earth restoration requires a similar scale of investment, but delivers the opposite outcome. Instead of destroying infrastructure, it builds planetary systems. Instead of displacing populations, it stabilizes them. Instead of creating enemies, it creates shared dependence. The comparison is not theoretical. 1 year of global military spending can fund the core phase of planetary restoration: forests, grasslands, wetlands, agricultural transitions. All measurable, all permanent. War spending is recurring loss. Restoration spending is cumulative gain. Every restored hectare continues working for decades, absorbing carbon, stabilizing water, producing food, supporting jobs. Weapons depreciate the moment they are built. Ecosystems appreciate over time. This is not a moral argument, it is an accounting one. Humanity already has the capacity. It simply allocates it destructively. The choice is not between peace and security. It is between investment and self-inflicted collapse. Earth restoration does not require new money. It requires redirecting existing money toward survival.